Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for data import. To run tests on your data in R, your data must first be imported into the RStudio global environment. RStudio can import data from a variety of formats, including SPSS and Excel. Here we will demonstrate importing an Excel file. In RStudio, select Import Dataset and choose From Excel. When the Import Statistical Data dialog box appears, navigate to the location of your Excel data file. A preview of your data will show up in the data preview. Also pay attention to the code in the code preview. Press Import. Your data is now in the RStudio global environment, ready for use. You may wish to save the dataset in RData format for use later, as the data in the global environment may be temporary. To do so, press the Save icon. When the Save As dialog box appears, type in a file name. I suggest you use the same file name as the Excel file. Press Save. Pay attention to the code in the console window. You may wish to copy the code so you can reuse it later. To see the code from this import procedure, press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module.